So here JEE Mains 2021. Na? So in this paper, you will be having maths, physics, chemistry 30 questions. 30 questions will be there. Maths 30, physics 30, chemistry 30. 2021 latest updates. On this you have 20 questions MCQ. MCQ 20 questions. 20 questions MCQ. And here also 20 questions MCQ will be there. 10 questions will be fill in the blanks. Means numerical values will be there. Numerical values means, you know, numerical values. So here will be 10 fill in the blanks will be there, numerical values. Here also 10 fill in the blanks, numerical values will be there. So in the 20 MCQs, negative marking is there. If you get right answer, 4 marks, wrong answer, -1 mark. Out of this 10 fill in the blanks, you have to write any 5. This one you have to write any 5. You will be having every subject section A and section B. Section A will be there, section B will be there. Every subject section A, section B. Section A MCQs, section B fill in the blanks. Out of 10 questions, you have to write any 5 questions in in JEE. This is no negative marking. There is no negative marking. So you can write them. And 5 you have to write. Out 10 you have to write. There is no syllabus deduction. Whole syllabus is there. Complete syllabus is there. Here MCQ questions will be here. 20 MCQ negative marking. Total you have to write 25 questions of each subject. And each subject have 30 questions. Understand? So first exam will be start in the Feb 22 to 25. Online already application started. So now you can start filling the forms, all the things you can do it. You should have Aadhaar card, okay? And Aadhaar card will be required, 10th class mark sheet, roll number required, ID required, and small things, date of birth, these all things required. And see that preference where you are choosing the centers. Where you are choosing centers, that is also you can choose. So if you fill very soon, what happens? So you can choose the centers properly right now. If you go delay that one, so centers will not available means they will give another center. So beginning only you can do it. If it is doing at night, it is better 12 o'clock if you fill, otherwise you fill any other time. But here you check out all these things and do it, okay? So our chapters only hyperbola left, I am doing that. So I will finish this week. In this week I will finish that. And relations, one small, just a little bit topic, that is a 45 minutes topic. That is they won't ask in exam. So relations I will take on 25th December live. 1 hour live I will take, I will finish that. And hyperbola I am going to finish it in this week. Then from Monday onwards I will take the revision. But as I gave the revision plan, you follow the same. Because matrices determinant already you have done. But I will make the video, revision video also I will send you. Okay, sequence and series, already we have done it. You can just go through this. So Monday onwards what topic will be there, according to that I will teach revision plan. So this is the examination latest updates. Don't forget, fill the forms. And this is the pattern. Understood? Now pattern understood, right? So they are going to conduct 4 exams, Feb, March, April, May. So you have to learn easily, and you have shift 1, shift 2. You know, shift 1 morning hours, shift 2 in the afternoon hours. Okay.